Welcome to TechnoGo. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best hoverboards available on the market. This list has been put together after hours of research based on quality, price and reviews. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our videos. Inspired by a racing automobile with intelligent sound and speed synchronization system, manually adjustable racing sound creates an immersive experience. It can be shut down if you don't need this sound. The ultra-thin body completely subverts the image of traditional board. Portable handle and removable battery, convenient for your carry and charging. This hoverboard has built-in high-ended speaker with market-first and unique monomore chamber design, outstanding sound quality, connecting with your smartphone easily with much fun. Colorful LED lights switch freely to present you amazing lighting when riding. The Epikgo looks like and performs as an off-road machine should. This board has large 8.5-inch tires that make it great for driving over all sorts of terrain, from sand to rough pavement. While this board is on the heavier side, it has a range of 7.2 miles and a run time of nearly 2 hours. Boasting dual 400-watt dual motor, this electric scooter is tough enough to cruise at top speeds up to 10 miles per hour for over an hour with a single charge. On most models, the motors are placed in the wheels, but this Epikgo scooter features motors that are actually placed inside the board instead. This results in more space on the board and increased stability. The self-balancing Segway Minilite is easier, safer and much more fun to ride than your regular hoverboard. Easily lift the lightweight Segway Minilite using the firm handle on the knee control bar. Take it indoors or outdoors and enjoy the benefits of the large pneumatic tires that guarantee a smooth ride. The foolproof rider detection will make sure a high level of stability is maintained along the way. Get around at 3 times the speed of walking. Reaching top speeds of 10 miles per hour, the Minilite covers distances of up to 11 miles on a single charge, depending on rider's weight and riding habits. The customizable LED taillights ensures high rear visibility day or night, rain or shine. The Halo Rover is suited for all experience levels as it has 3 ride settings. This gives new riders the confidence they need to get started, but it's also great for seasoned riders. The Rover comes with ride assist technology, so the board is balanced at all times, regardless of whether or not you are standing on it. The Halo Rover also has built-in Bluetooth speakers, and the board itself is water resistant. The range of the Rover is approximated at 10 miles per charge. The battery of the Rover takes approximately 2.5 hours to get full charge, and you can expect the battery to last up to 2 hours before needing a recharge. Remember to take into consideration that weight and speed affect battery life. The Hovertrax is powered by a solid 350 watt motor, getting you to speeds of up to 8 miles per hour and provides you with about 60 minutes of continuous use. The board features advanced technology that guarantees you added safety that easily outperforms other boards in the market. Above that, it has been further tested by authorities to ensure that it meets the required safety standards, ideal for your perfect riding condition. It also offers a training mode where beginners can easily learn and use the board. When in beginner mode, the board responds a little bit more slowly, which allows users to get more comfortable step by step.